Here we're going to take a look at the report form. This is where you'd be running all of your reports from. Got quite a few of them. We still add more new ones here. But pretty much everything is run by date range. So first thing you want to do is click your start date and the end date that you want to run any of the reports. You may need a truck number. You may need a trailer number if you have one. But there are a bunch of different search criteria as the way you may want to search for anything. But say the revenue by date, that's going to pull these reports up. It's going to show you a lot of different scenarios here. It gives total loads, empty miles, average empty miles, loads, totals and grosses. You can either print the report, you can save it as a PDF file, or you can email it. So maybe if you have any of these reports, any reports you pull up, you can email them. So, if your accountant needed one of these reports or whatever, just pull that report up, click email, and it's going to automatically attach that PDF file right to that email. So just put in the email, whoever you need to send it to, subject, message, click send. It's going to email them this report right here for them. A lot of different ones here. Let's see, the revenue by line item. This report here is one I like here too. Like I showed you over in the revenue form. Told you it was best to set everything up, run it as a flat rate, and then you just put in your revenue categories: leather detention, fuel surcharge, labor, line haul. This will show you all of them categories. It's going to give you the totals of each one of them. So that's going to break down and show you what all you've done in your revenue. You can do fuel expenses by truck, by trailer, by trip, by date. Just all broke down. You can do the profit and loss reports here. You would use this for your accounting or your ending year taxes. It's going to show you total revenue, total expenses, total profit, your averages and totals. But what this is going to give you when you over in your expense form, when you created all of your expense categories, this is how it's going to break it down here. So it's going to show you all your expense categories, and then it's going to show you the totals of each category, and it also will show you the cost per mile for each one. And then over in the revenue category, it's going to break everything down, all your revenue totals for each one of them. Like I say again, this is why I would like to run everything as flat rate, because it breaks it all down for you, shows you all your totals over here. So you may have an accountant, you may need to send them this, so you can click email and just send this straight over to your accountant every week or every month or quarterly, how you got it set up with them. And this is all they would need here to handle your accounting or your taxes for you. You can check the unpaid loads, the IFTA report. So if you need to run your IFTA report, you have the online account for IFTA. Just run your date range for whatever quarter that may be. Click IFTA report and pick your truck. And this is going to show you everything. It's going to break it all down. Going to show you all the states you ran through. It's going to give you the total mileage for each state and the total gallons that you purchased in each state here. And then it will show your totals at the bottom. So you would use this information to file your IFTA online. The FYI button here, this gives you a lot of good information right here. By default, it will show year to date from beginning of the year to the date now, and it's going to break everything down and show you exactly what your business is doing. It's going to show you all your totals and averages, breaks everything down for you right here. So this is always good to pull up and take a look at, and you can see what your business is doing. You can change the date range. So if you want to change the date range for a particular week or a particular month or whatever, just go in there and open the calendar up and change these dates right here, and then click run, and it will recalculate all of this for you. If you need, you can print this out, and it's going to print out just like you see it over there if you need to print it. So that gives you a lot of good information right here. These charts, these are some charts right here. When you first open this, it takes just a minute to generate all of these charts. You may see it flicker and do a little bit, but it's calculating all of these different categories for you. But this was the first one will give you your revenue. It just breaks everything down all month here and just gives you the totals of revenue for all of them. Gives you all your total expenses every month. Truck fuel, truck fuel miles per gallon. Now sometimes you may see a month right here that's just really spiked real high. What could cause that is maybe you might have filled your truck up and you went home for a week or 2 or 3 weeks, whatever, went on vacation. So yeah, it's going to show really spiked right here is what would do that. But this is going to show you all your averages. Do the same thing with the diff fuel, all your diff fuel totals and your MPG for your diff fuel and reefer fuel if you have it. If you have multiple years in here, just click which year you want from this drop down list and it will repopulate all the charts again. Another good report here is this truck and diff MPG. So right here, if you have multiple trucks, pick the truck you want right here, click run. And this is going to break everything down for your truck fuel and your diff fuel. But it's going to give you all your total miles, gallons, miles per gallon, you know, all your other information. Your diff usage rate, if it's going up real high, it will show you this little warning that's high percentage. So maybe you need to check your diff filters or something. Something may be going wrong if the percentage is going up high. Then it's going to break everything down for you over here too. But you can too run these for a certain date range. Maybe if you're having this high warning here, you want to see what month it maybe started that. You could break these months down, say maybe run this report per month. So maybe run the first month, second month, third month until you see that month that when it really spiked. That might give you some information of what might be wrong there. But this could save you a lot of repair headache keeping up with this right here. But like I say, all the reports are done pretty much by date range, so you can just play it around in all of these different categories that you can run them. If you want to clear these dates out, just click clear search and it clears everything right back out. But this is the report selector, and if you need any other reports that may be good, that would work for everybody, send me an email, your suggestions. We're always adding new reports in here, so just send us your feedback and suggestion in, and we'll go in and tweak one of these reports, or we'll add another whole new report.